Nakupulangit at paduano nagalit bot na kay Raul at Trillanes.
Tignan mo na tuloy, nagalit. Siyempre, nagalit na yung langit. Dahil saka,
Do not make me account for something which I cannot do legally. That is not allowed by law. I am prohibited from doing it.
Being the first to
So, Mr.
to file.
Chair.
Yes.
This man who used to be a part of the armed forces that should be a patriot in this country has been conniving with the ICC.
Mr. Chairman, na naglulukuhan tayo dito. Naglulukuhan tayo dito. Hindi tayo naglulukuhan dito.